What's going on, guys? Just coming to you today for video 5 or 6. I think it's video 6 today. Just going for a country drive once again, pulled over, and just got into mind the topic of basically talking about the struggles, the adversity, the tough times, the grind, back against the wall. You know, the times where you want to quit, and trying to recreate the story about that and change your perspective on those situations. Because I know for myself, at the time they were happening, they were really, they were tough times. They were times that made me want to quit on my journey. There were times that made me doubt what I was doing, doubted myself, doubted all my beliefs. But what came out of all of it in the end was a whole new perspective, because without contrast, you can't appreciate the good, the beautiful, the blissful, the amazing, positive, happy, fun times in your life, the success, the breakthrough. Without having, now when I look back at it, those times of adversity, the struggles, the pain, the negativity, the doubt, the I guess impatience, and all the times that I really struggled with, that really hurt me at the time, now I can appreciate the contrast that it's given me to go ahead and appreciate all the beautiful things in life now. So if you're facing these struggles, just look at it as a positive. I know it's easier said than done, because when you are in those tough times, it is hard to have a positive outlook on things. But just look at it as another positive experience, a notch in your belt that's going to help you grow, become a better person. It's going to help you. It's going to give you the contrast, that ability to appreciate the good times when you do succeed, when you do have your breakthroughs, when you do have the beautiful, blissful, happy times. It's going to make you really appreciate them and humble you and keep you in a state of gratitude and appreciation for those finer things. Because without that contrast, if we were just to start a business or just go through life and have all these beautiful times and great, it would just be normal. There'd be no contrast. There'd be no yin and yang. There's no way of knowing what good times are without having bad times. So, the video that I want to do today is just about that topic. I was just driving along and I thought, what am I going to talk about in my video today? And I said, what have I learned on my journey? And it's the adversity. There was times of my journey where I just had to just back against the wall, sit down on the floor, hands in my face, and just cry my eyes out and question myself. There was thoughts of suicide. There was thoughts of, who the hell am I? Why am I here? What is this whole world for? What's the point? There was huge adversity. And I'm not going to go into too much detail about those adversities, but you can go ahead, and I've got other videos on my YouTube channel that you can see them, you can watch them, my full story, some of the pains and frustrations that I have had. But this is specifically for you if you're building a business in particular. If you can't control your emotions, you can't control your business and your finances. So this is to help you. It's not the fact that you're not going to have these problems. You're not going to face these struggles. You are. You're going to have adversity. You are going to struggle, but it's changing your perception of what the struggle means and the meaning you're attaching to it, which will enable you to move forward much faster, much better, grow from it, learn from it, become a better person for it, and move forward with confidence and positivity instead of beating yourself up. I'm not good enough. Why is this happening to me? Change you from that victim to the victor. You're victorious. Yes, this is happening to me because it's teaching me a lesson. It's making me better. It's making me great. Life, God, the universe, whatever you want to call it. It's teaching me lessons. It's making me better. It's making me more powerful. It's making me more wiser. And take those lessons on board and move forward with that confidence and with that power and just take it in. Yes, I'm learning from this. Another notch in my belt, another story to tell, to inspire others and get creative and motivate and inspire people to do better in their life. So this is how I took my struggles and my pains, my frustrations, my adversity, whatever you want to call it. This is how I now take it on. And yes, don't get me wrong, I'm not perfect. When I still face these times, I still have these negative thoughts pop up, but I'm aware of it. It's having that self-awareness to go, yeah, go away. Piss off thoughts, because I know this is making me greater. I know this is for my own good. I know I'm going to come out better for it. How can I move past it? And I'll go and put on a motivational video, watch something like this on YouTube, some of my mentors that I follow, and I'll get my mind out of there and, you know, focus on the path moving forward, start creating my future rather than living in the past and living in the moment of why is this happening to me. Get out of that state and start focusing on the future. So that's it, guys. I'm going to put my car back on, put the air conditioner back on, because it's about 37 degrees outside. And yeah, I'm going to get to my next destination. So that's it. Hope this video you found value. Oh, my eyes are so bloodshot, man. I hope you got some value out of this video. Adversity, pains, frustrations, use them to your advantage. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on day 7 tomorrow for your next topic. As always, comment below, leave your thoughts, or reply to the email if you get it in the email. If you're getting this through my email and you are on my webpage right now, click the button below if you want to join the team, the community, you want to build an online business that you love, that you're passionate about, that fulfills you, that lights you up. Okay, you want to be a part of our community, part of our team, work with myself and my whole entire team and community, then guys, click that button below and make a $29 application, completely refundable, money back guarantee if it's not for you. For those of you that are on my YouTube, subscribe if you haven't already, share, like, do whatever you like, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.